Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve 2025 AB Precalculus free response question 1. The function f is decreasing and is defined for all real numbers. The table gives the value of f of s as selected values of s. The function g is given by this one. The function h is defined by h of s equals g of f of s. Find the value of h of 1 as a decimal approximation. Alright, so question A, h of 1 equals g of f of 1, right? Now we look at the table. We need to find f of 1 first. F of 1 is going to be 1.75, right? So it could be g of 1.75, right? Now we use the function g right here. We plug 1.75 for s, right? So now we're going to bring up the calculator to calculate this one. We hit Control I, add calculator. Find the value of inverse of f of 3.5, right? So we have f inverse of 3.5 equals 0, right? Since f of 0 equals 3.5, right? Now question B. Find all values of s as decimal approximation with g of s equals 0. Alright, so g of s equals 0 is the same thing as. Alright, so we'll print up the decimals. We find the 0 of this function, right? So it could be. Alright, so we have 3 0 right here. The first 0 is going to be this guy. Second 0 right here, and the third 0 right here, right? So we just copy this 3 0, right? Now question B2I. Determine the end behavior of the function g as s increases without bound, right? So 2I right here, we need to find limit of the function g of s when s approaches positive infinity. It's going to be, look at the graph right here, s approaches positive infinity, which means s goes to the right, the function goes down, right? So it's going to be negative infinity. Now question C, I. Based on the table, which of the following function types best models the function f: linear, quadratic, exponential, or logarithmic? So we look at this one, we see that the change in s should be plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and plus 1. The change in y should be, in order to get 7 from 14, we multiply by 1/2, right? This guy multiply by 1/2. This guy multiply by 1/2, and this guy multiply by 1/2, right? So this one is best model as exponential function. Now question 2I. Give a reason for your answer in part C, I, based on the relationship between the change in output values of f and the change in input value of f. Alright, so you need to say because the output values of an exponential function change proportionately as input values increases in equal length intervals. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand